In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Hostinger Website Builder. If you're ready to bring your idea online with a website, follow along as I guide you through this simple process. As we go through these steps, I'll make sure to provide clear explanations to help you understand each phase. To begin, let's head over to the Hostinger website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that button to access your account. If you're not already a member, you might need to sign up for an account first. Logging in will take you to the Hostinger dashboard where all your website management tools are housed. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu and click on Home. This will redirect you to the main control panel known as the H panel. From there, you want to direct your attention to the Domains section located in the vertical menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking on Domains will open up the Domain Management section where you can manage or add domains to your account. Next, look for the Domain Portfolio option. This is where all the domains you already own will appear. It allows you to manage existing domains and initiate transactions related to domain hosting services. Click on Domain Portfolio to access your list of domains. After opening your domain portfolio, you'll notice a button labeled Add New Domain. Clicking this button will open up options for expanding your online presence with new domain purchases. This is particularly useful if you haven't yet acquired a domain or wish to add more to your hosting account. Now, to purchase a new domain, you'll want to click on Search and purchase a completely new domain. In this section, you can search for a desired domain name to see if it's available. Once you've found an ideal domain name that suits your website's purpose, you can proceed with the purchase. Hostinger typically offers competitive pricing and a straightforward buying process designed to help you effortlessly expand your digital presence. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to easily connect a domain to the Hostinger website builder. This is a key move towards having a professional online presence that's both effective and appealing. If you encounter any issues throughout this process, Hostinger has fantastic customer support that is always ready to assist with any inquiries or challenges you face along the way.